Best credit cards. If you purchase items only in Flipkart, Flipkart Axis Bank credit card is the best choice. If you purchase items only in Amazon, Amazon Pay ICICI Bank credit card is the best choice. If you are purchasing items both Amazon and Flipkart, Millennia credit card is the best choice. If you purchasing items in all websites and spending more than 20,000, SBI cashback card is the best choice. You will get benefit up to 5,000 if you spend 1 lakh per month, best lifetime free. Credit card with no annual and maintenance fees. IFC First Bank credit card and Amazon lifetime free credit card. With buy one get one movie ticket offer you can save 500 per month and 6,000 per year with free lifetime credit card. Best Rupee cards. Tata New Infinity Credit Card. You will get benefit even if you do more UPI transactions. 1.5% cash back on every transaction. Air accident death cover 1 CR. If you spent more than 3 lakh there is no annual and maintenance fees. For utilities and payment bills best credit card is, this card will give you benefit up to 13,200 per year. 25% cash back up to 300 per month on Airtel broadband or postpaid bills, per month 300, per year 3,600, 12% cash back up to 500 per month on big basket orders, per month 500, per year 6,000. 10% cash back on utility bills up to 300, per month 300, per year 3,600, total saving per year 3,600. 3,600 6,000 is equal to 13,200, best credit card for fuel monthly bill up to 10,000. Tata New Infinity Credit Card. If you use BART app for gas booking you will get benefit of 125 Rs, 6.25% on fuel, for both offline or online transactions and travel-related bookings. Best credit card is, Axis Bank Atlas Credit Card, for percent offline or online transactions. You will get 6.25% offline or online transactions if you reach milestone. Annual maintenance is 0 if you spent more than 1.5 lakh per month. For HP gas holders and fuel purchase less than 10,000 per month best credit card is, IFC First Power Plus card. If you want to take any credit card in mentioned list, please go through the official websites and apply directly. I hope this video is useful for selecting credit card based on diff categories. Please like and subscribe and support us.
Don't forget to like and subscribe this channel for more informative videos.